Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Deshaun coming back to you with some credit game. I'm here with my girl, Katrina, and she's asking me a very important question that I thought I'd really get this on camera so that everybody can hear this. Katrina, can you go ahead and ask that question one more time?
Yes, I had a loan. Oh, yeah. I have a loan that I'm paying off. Mm-hmm. And will that hurt me? Because I'll be done this month. Will that hurt my credit?
Good question. Glad you asked, Katrina. So this is the answer to that question. Yes, paying off your installment loans, your revolving credit loans, all that kind of stuff. I mean, not your revolving credit loans, but your installment loans can definitely help hurt you. And this is why. You need to have trade lines reporting that you report and pay your bills on time. The less of those that you have, it can decrease your credit score. So the more, that's why we're always trying to put more trade lines on your account so that it helps the algorithm show that you pay your bills on time. So when you close an account, even like an auto loan, you can risk the fact of it dropping your score down because now that's one less thing that's showing that you pay your bills on time. Right?
What can you do?
So what you do in that situation is you get another installment loan. Right? But it's the good news is that I got the sauce for you. For getting that and not paying hardly anything. And we're going to go into that a little bit later because that's only for my clients. But we're going to talk about that. Getting trade lines without having to pay so much money. Okay? Awesome. All right. So we'll talk about that. Okay, it doesn't make sense not to tell everybody about this because a lot of people do know this. All right, so here's how you do what we call the pledge loan play. It's also by Navy Federal. So if you have a Navy Federal bank account, which we did get you, right?
Yes, Navy Federal bank
right?
account.
We had Katrina get a Navy Federal account because she had a family member. Was it your grandfather or something like that?
Yes.
Grandfather was in the military. So if you have any family member that's in the military, you can get Navy Federal. Now, Navy Federal is a really good bank. It's the largest credit union in the nation. Now, but this is the reason why we like this trade line play. So listen to this. You can get a trade line. So let's just say you take $5,000, right?
Yes.
Because what I want you to understand is that you're only going to be you're going to get this money back. Okay, you're going to get 99% of the money back. So I want you to dump as much money as possible into your Navy Federal savings account. Okay, this is called the pledge loan play. All right, this is going to give you another positive trade line reporting. Okay, now what this is also going to do is let other banks see that you have a loan, even if it is secured, a loan for a certain amount with them. Right, and then they will then want your business because they can see that you can handle that kind of loan. Okay? But this is how it works. You're going to take $5,000. You can do it as little as, if I'm not mistaken, $250. Okay? So anything that you can put in, do it. But the larger, the better. So drop $5,000 inside of Navy Federal. Okay? They're going to, in Navy Federal savings account, they're going to then use that money as collateral. Okay, that $5,000 collateral, hold it, and give you that $5,000 back in the form of a loan. Okay, now hear me out there, because now you're like, okay, I don't have my $5,000, right? I still need my $5,000 to eat, to live, right? Well, this is the key. If you can just hold off for like a week without that money, this is what happens. Okay. What happens is when you get that $5,000 back. All right, you're going to get $5,000 back because they're giving you a loan. Now, right now you have a loan from them. Now you have that loan. You can spend it however you want, but we're going to do it responsibly. How you're going to do it is I want you to pay 99% of that loan back because when you do that, this is what's great about Navy Federal is that when you do that and you pay 99% back, they are then going to release that 99% back to you. And the good thing about that is it still shows that you have that loan. And now your payments are so low because you're only paying on the 1%. Okay? You're only paying on the 1% stretched out through the term of that loan. So this could really mean that you're only paying like $30 or $40 a month.
Yes.
But you have a positive trade line reporting on your account. You're building a good relationship with Navy Federal, okay?
Yes.
And other banks are looking at that. So what we do, we call that is comparable credit. So they're looking at what you've done with other banks because it's on your credit report now.
Yes.
Now they feel more comfortable about lending to you as well.